Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Robin from Batman and Robin. Maybe he has his own comic. I don't know, guys. I don't know a lot of superheroes, okay? But don't mind the feet because it's very hard to like put boots on. So just pretend there are boots there. So let's start from the beginning. I did put, oh my gosh, why did I put so many items? Okay, some of these items are not supposed to be here because this was before I put on the Robin outfit. So let me just delete these. Did I use any adjustments? I don't think I did. So, okay, if you're wondering about the custom makeup, I just did that on the tutorial before this, kind of something similar. For the hair, I just use these combined. This one and just this one. And then for the outfit, I used these in this green, 29512B. And then this two, as well as this. On the highlights, I did use yellow. And then on the skeleton, oh, I think on the metal plating, I used red. Actually, let me put this on first. This one and color that one red. Okay. I'll probably color something green later. I don't remember though. Then I use this turtleneck over here and the same green and foil for both. Like that. I think I just left it red. And then I used these pants. Can't really see them then, but I still used it in foil as well. That's something I did change it to green, I think, on the skeleton one. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave it red though. Then I used these in the same color, green and foil. And no, I didn't use shoes. I said that before. Then for the gloves, these are the only gloves that can fit. So just color that in foil as well. Or did I use silk for it? I think I'm just gonna stick with silk. I think I'll just stick with silk for the socks as well here. There. And then for the cape, I use Alpha Buzz as well as one in VIP. Big cape, only cape, and just black. And then I also use the one from VIP because I want it to have two colors. Only cape, light air in yellow. I think I'll use this one. And that's pretty much it really. You can add more pizzazz to it. You can try adding shoes, but let me see. I'll just probably add these shoes in black, these boots. But, you know, like, I don't understand why it does that. What if I add this on as well? Maybe I'll add that and just color everything black in neon, maybe. And these two, so it kind of blends a little bit better. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.